The roofs are shining from the rain, the sparrows twitter as they fly, and with the windy April breeze, the little clouds go by.
Here is a month of happy sounds, the hum of buzzing bees, the chop of little baby birds, and the song of gentle breeze.
Spring will bring rain, spring will bring sun, spring will bring fun for everyone. April is a rainbow month of sunshine, showers bright with golden daffodils and lots of pretty flowers. I love the spring, for every day there is something new that's come to see. Another bed, another bird, another flower that comes from the world.
A huge round sun and the sky so blue. Listen to what they say to it.
Spring makes the world a happy place. You can smile on every face. Flowers come out and birds arrive. Oh, isn't it incredible life?
They don't talk, they don't shout. Their beauty is what Mother Nature is all about.
We have